Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is October the 1st, 2018, and I wanted to give you an update on the gourds that I had planted. So this is one of the plants here, and it is starting to get powdery mildew, and looks like it might be getting some rust on the leaves too. But I really disappointed with these this year. They didn't do what I thought they were going to do. Probably about 5 or 6 years ago, I had planted gourds in this particular flower bed, and they did very well for me. So I thought this year I would put them in again. And unfortunately, they did not do well. You can see this one here is just coming. We're in October, so unless we get a really long, and I mean a really, really long fall, that's probably all the bigger that one's going to get. We already had one day where it was down to like 40 degrees. So they didn't do what I expected them to do. I will not be planting them probably over here again. I'll pick a different spot. The weather was really off this year for us. It had a lot of rain. We don't normally get a lot of rain, but kind of disappointing. I really wanted to have some to sell this year, some gourds, so not how my plan went. So I'll be selecting probably a new location for these next year. So I'll show you another one up here. Hold on a moment. You can kind of see this one over here. This one doesn't have anything hanging on it. Something's actually eating the leaves. We've been having, the deer have been coming up and they're already eating the plants. So, that's not helping. But yeah, there's no gourds hanging on this particular plant here, so try again next year. And hopefully I select a better spot. I mean, 5 or 6 years ago the weather was a lot different. Some years you do have off years with them. And these are the, it's a pack of fancy mixed gourds, and it had the little pumpkins in with it. So, I do have 2 bottle house gourds hanging on. I'll be harvesting those soon. The vines are dying on them, so even they didn't do to the fullest potential this year that they could. So, I'm going to be rethinking spots to plant these at. And yes, I did kind of plant these late in the season, but they still should have done better than this. So it's like just now they're reaching the maturity the vines are to start giving. So, and we had a cooler year this year. You'd have some days where it got like really hot, but we had a lot of rain and just very strange, very off year. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button all the times that I put a new video on. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.